Well, this is the first time that I see garbage near the ocean right here in Puerto Peñasco. And if you notice, that is actually sea life. The ocean this week was like blowing everything in. So that is very recently. It's just brand new garbage just arrived. But yeah, we do have garbage. But otherwise, it's beautiful. Check out that big ship. And in a little while, I'm going to ride on one of these boats. Well, saludos. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this. This is a very nice place. Saludos.